to be working to me. Joey's trading.
Bro, so
Huh?
ceiling fan not working.
What do you mean?
I turned it on, it's just not working.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like not working.
What's it doing?
Like when I turn it on, it's like just doing this. Like that's all. It's not like, you know, like.
It seems to be working to me.